Okay, question number 12 says negative 19, positive 9. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what are you hearing in your head right now about a positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative? You should be hearing this sound. Jillian, you cannot put a positive and a negative together. We have a long rule. I'll say it slow. Putting a positive and a negative together with addition means subtract their absolute values. 19 minus 9 equals 10. None of these questions are going to be hard mathematically for your numbers. You're going to get a little confused on, am I adding or am I subtracting and whose sign to keep? I have 10, keep the sign of the larger absolute value, negative 10. Now, go back, think of a word problem. I owe $19, just got my allowance, $9. Pay back that, as much as I got in my allowance, I still owe 10. That works. Flip it over, going to make sure you guys can see. Number 13. Negative 5, negative 16. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what do I get when I have negative 5, negative 16? What's negative 5 and negative 16 added? Yeah. Negative 21. Now I'm going to ask a bunch of crazy questions because I know I got people that get confused on this. I thought you told me 2 negatives is a positive. Who wants to, tell me why that's not 2 negatives is a positive? It ain't. Not in this one. Morris. Perfectimundo, awesome. Next question, number 14. There's only 2 of these on here. I gotta almost, I'm kind of depressed that there's only 2. Subtracting a negative. Who wants to raise their hand right now and tell me why? What am I supposed to know about subtracting negatives? Subtracting negatives. Nico. I need to add the second number's opposite. Please don't fall in the trap that it's always add a negative. It's not. If it's a negative, it will become positive. Add the opposite. Now, you just created question 13 again. Negative 7, negative 7. I owe $7, I owe $7. I owe how much? 14. Next one. 12 minus a negative 5. Now, this question here, word problem would be I have $12. I owe $5. I'm getting ready to pay back my $5. The person says, heck with it. Keep the $5 you owe me. So what ends up happening on here? I can't subtract negatives. Now, how did I tell you to remember why you can't subtract negatives? I can't subtract negatives because, Zach, I never pay a bill. If I was allowed to subtract negatives, I go to my mailbox, throw all my bills away. Life would be pretty sweet. So, we can't have that because then everybody that I'm buying something from would go bankrupt. I changed this to adding. Second number's opposite. Notice this one became a positive. That one became a negative. They're different. 12 plus 5. Who's got 12 plus 5? Oh, come on. $12. 17. Awesome.